data cleaning, are you not using method in data cleaning? You find them, and you try to manipulate them. So how do you manipulate? You have functions ready. What those functions are having? The functions are having again reasonable logic. So that way, you just have mathematics feature algorithms that are being arranged systematically that are giving you the proper answers that because of your supply of questions. Now the question is, who is supplying the given data in mathematics formula? I mean mathematics in question. You are getting the given data. Find the x value when y value is like this and z value is like this. Then find out the x. So where is those given data? You have the given data in your Excel sheets or in a data set. Alright, you are supplying them and that data is being flowing through different funnels. You consider them as funnels. Okay, so when you divide the data set into multiple parts, you are actually funneling them into the different funnels. Alright. Any formula that you are having in any of the mathematical models, they will filter out something and give you the next thing. Right? At the so you understand this funnel, right? So the work of the funnel is to give the direction of it. So when I have this one, this will just give you what you can say. If I have it gives a flow and also it does the filtering. If I have the filtration in terms of values, for example, this filter can only filter out those values which are ranging from 1 to 10 or 1 to 10 centimeter, if I say, in terms of size. If I have a small balls like this, which are having the diameter of 1 to 10, then it can pass through this one. Then I have the structured data that is being filtered with a filter. I also have the balls which are not having, this is of having 22 centimeter. This is having, for example, 12 centimeter. The diameter. Okay. So such data when I have, when I want to filter it out, so this will become my model. Because I have told and I have defined this condition. I understand? So such many filters I will give. So for this one also, I will take another filter and I will make this filter to work differently. This will not filter the sizes, it will filter based on the color again. So again, if I add one more filter, so what I am doing, I am just trying to add the filter by filter. Alright, one by one. So what I am trying to do is, I am trying to create a different steps where one work is done in one step. Next step will be the previous outputs, input will be given, and then that will start, and that's how step by step I will be having the funnels being working, filters being working, and they are doing their own specified work. At the end, you will be getting an output. Now, at the end, you have to check whether I have given input, whether I am getting the right output. Alright? It is same like how you go to your floor mill. You go to the floor mill and you have verified your wheat and jowar, whatever you take it, you have verified that. And if you don't verify, directly get it from the market and you directly give to the person who is going to crush it and make it a powder. What will happen if you don't check it? Obviously, you don't know what is there inside. You have stones, everything is there. So what do? You do cleaning. So that first step is my cleaning. what do? We do cleaning because we don't want to have any option in the output. As simple as that to understand. We do cleaning because we have a reason to clean it. Because when these things will process, they will process, and if bigger stones are there in your wheel, this machine will stop. They will not work. Right? That's why we clean them here and we start processing it inside, and we are expecting the right output because we have cleaned it and we understood what is the data. That's why we are expecting this thing. Completely understood. Alright. So here when you come down, here we have the mathematical models. You have math available everywhere. Whatever funnels you are putting, filters you are putting, or manipulation functions you are using, they are using mathematics to manipulate. And that mathematics is small formula which does one work, another formula does small work. Got it? So this is both algorithm we have. And this is what? This is my evaluation. Alright? So what is this space? This is data preparation. Right? So that is how we have divided. In data preparation, you also find out the features which you want to find out as y. One more x you want to which are the calls which you want to consider for x. You decide them. Feature consideration. So that's why generally we call them data preparation. And then you do all the algorithm stuff, model selection, dividing the data, all of them you do. And at the end you will get the predicted data. And here you have to check whether my output as expected or not. If not expected, what you do? In your floor wheel, what you do? If the speed floor is very much force, then what do? You ask him to see this time you have to adjust. You ask him to rotate that like that. So that will call as parameter. What is that? Tuning. Parameter tuning. So algorithm tuning. Right? So where we do that? We do it in the model base. Alright? So we'll ask them. We'll ask them here to do some changes in the model. Alright? So we ask them here like we have some models like iterations or training. Training it was 10, you make it 100. Or you are taking a sample of 10 size, now you take off 100. Or your learning rate was only 0.1, you make it 0.5. Okay, so different parameters are there. So those parameters, you will ask them to tune it because I am not getting 100% right data. At least 99% I am not getting. I am getting 80% here. I just tweak it. I am getting now 99. Now adjust it. Got it? So that is how your models can give you a clue in the evaluation process. Based on the evaluation, you actually go back to the model and check if model is correct. Still, you are getting the less accuracy of your answer. What do? You go back to data also. You check if is there any problem we have in the data also. Alright. So that's a theoretical concept that you can understand to understand the whole machine learning concept, like how it is going to work. Alright. Okay. Harish went. Okay.